Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom, 5-star rated, over 5,000 reviews, guaranteed we beat Home Depot and Lowe's. The nation's largest discount appliance dealer, over 24 stores in 3 states. Visit us at appliancefactory.com.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. My name is Simon. I'm going to be doing a product review on this Kenmore fridge right here. 74145 is the model number. I don't know if you guys noticed, but it is actually going to be not as wide. It is going to be 33 inches wide. We actually just started stocking Kenmore, so these are all very personal just to Appliance Factory. We've got great features on the front right here. Smart grid, so it is a smart appliance. Control lock, and you can also adjust freezer and refrigerator temperatures right here. Accelerated ice, water filter, reset buttons, all that kind of stuff. Get to take this out and clean it, all that kind of stuff comes right off. So if we open up, yeah, not too many features really to shout about. It's just really basically for anyone that does have that width restriction within their home. 33 inches is something that's harder to come by. We do have a collapsible shelf here, so you can make more space for whether it's bottles of wine or big bottles of soda, whatever you feel like. We also have an air filter back here. We also have what they call Genius Cool technology, which provides optimum temperature performance throughout the cavity of the unit. Also does have a linear compressor, so that provides quick cooling and even temperatures. Your water filter is going to be located up here, so whenever you need to replace that, it's in the top corner. Kind of keeps it out of the way. We also do have a slim ice maker at the top here, so that's going to probably provide maybe about 7 to 10 pounds of ice in there. You have a switch right here to flip that on or off if needs be. Also, the nice thing about the ice being in the door, it is going to just create that extra bit of space that you'll probably need if you're using a 33-inch refrigerator anyway. Tempered glass up here for our controlled drawers for fruit and vegetable. Also a temperature control pantry down here as well that you can select different functions on in order to change temperatures and all that kind of stuff too. We also do have multi-airflow, which will cool everything throughout. So when you're loading up your groceries, it will cool everything quickly. So if you've got ice cream, especially like on a hot day like today, and you're driving and you're bringing everything back, and maybe you take about 15-20 minutes to get back, that might start to defrost. It does have features in the freezer that will cool everything down, so it's not going to melt. Obviously, we've got an extra ice bit in here, so you probably get about 30 pounds of ice. So probably about 40 pounds of ice altogether in a pretty compact size refrigerator. It's 25 cubic feet, so it's a really good size. Also, the front is going to be a smudge proof resistant. So if you do see smudges and fingerprints, if you kind of can now, all you need is a wet cloth. You can just wipe that off and it'll come. You don't really need like a professional stainless steel cleaner or anything like that. Obviously that would benefit, but it is smudge proof as well. And yeah, so that's all I have on this product, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.
Online or locally, save at appliancefactory.com. Click the link to learn more.